Your Intex ladder is an important part of your above-ground pool. Read all of the warnings and safety instructions before assembly. Your ladder carton includes an illustrated quick guide reference chart of parts and the assembly process. Incorrect assembly may cause personal injury or death. For this reason, assembly must be done by an adult only. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flat screwdriver, and pliers or an adjustable wrench for assembly of this ladder. Check all the parts against the list provided in the instruction manual. If any parts are missing, please contact Intex customer service for replacements before continuing assembly. The ladder shown here is the 1.32 meter Intex Deluxe Pool Ladder. If your ladder is 1.22 meters high, the assembly will be the same. Begin by assembling the ladder legs. The left and the right sides are marked A and B. Start with the J-shaped legs marked A and B and lay them out on the ground. The J-shaped ends must point left and right. Slide the step anchor sleeves onto the lowest indents of the legs. They are interchangeable and are slipped over the legs with the arrows pointing up. Rotate them right or left to fit into the indents in the legs. Now take the bottom step and slide it all the way down both J-shaped legs to secure onto the anchor sleeve. The steps must be pushed down evenly, working from side to side. Push the step down firmly. Use a small rubber hammer if necessary to settle the step solidly over the sleeve anchors. Check to make sure the anchors do not slip off their leg indents. Continue with the next upper step. Attach the anchor sleeves and slide the step over it. Install all steps for the J-shaped legs in that manner and make sure they are firmly in place. Next, locate the straight, long legs marked A1 and B1. Proceed in the same way as previously with the J-shaped legs and attach the anchor sleeves and steps one by one. Make sure all steps are securely assembled. Locate the upper legs marked A1 and B1 and insert them into the long straight leg assembly with the white caps facing up and secure them with screws, washer, and threaded nuts. Locate the upper legs marked A and B and slide them on the top of the J-shaped legs. Depress the lock button and slide the legs together until the lock button snaps into place. Locate the U-shaped assembly marked C and slide one support base over each of the two vertical short legs, with the indents resting on the horizontal rail on the bottom. Next, take both long straight legs marked C and slide them over the two short legs of assembly C. Insert the screws to secure the legs on each side. The screw heads will be on the inside of the legs and secured with washers and threaded nuts on the outside of the legs. Go back to the previously assembled J-shaped legs and locate the top platform for the ladder. Rotate it so the side with the safety clasps is facing away from the legs. Slide the platform on the legs and secure it with screws, washers, and nuts. Do not install the other set of legs yet. The U-shaped top rails must be installed first. Locate the two U-shaped top rails and slide an open end over each of the legs that are sticking out through the platform. Secure both sides with screws, washers, and nuts with the screw heads on the outside of the ladder. Locate the C assembly and slide the open ends of the ladder into the remaining platform openings behind the clasps and from underneath the top platform. Secure the legs and U-shaped top rails with screws, washers, and nuts. Do not fully tighten the screws until the final assembly step. Take the remaining ladder step assembly and rest the bottom of the ladder step assembly into the support bases. Make sure they are inserted straight. Open both clasps at the top platform and depress the lower buttons on each side of the top of the legs. Push the legs into the clasps until the lock buttons snap into place. Then, close the clasps firmly until they click. Now, with the ladder fully assembled, tighten all screws securely. For maintenance, you must check regularly that all nuts, bolts, steps, and step anchor sleeves are secured properly and the ladder is sturdy. Apply firm downward pressure to each step to be sure they are fully anchored before use. Important: the removable step side must be located outside of the pool. When the ladder is not in use, remove the front side steps for safety. Open both clasps and depress the lower buttons on each top end of the legs and pull the assembly towards you. Lift the assembly out of the support base and above the top platform. Insert the lower ends of the legs into the openings in front of the U-shaped top rails until they securely click into place. When you are ready to use the ladder again, you must first locate the safety latch on the right side of the ladder behind the clasps. With your right hand, pull and hold the latch towards you. At the same time, with your left hand, press the white protruding buttons and simultaneously lift the leg out of the cavity, exposing the lower white lock buttons. Then, lift up the assembly straight up with both hands and install it back into the support base and clasps as previously described. Congratulations! You have successfully assembled your Intex Deluxe Pool Ladder.